Hello, our our project name is Quick Resume. In this project, we are developing an AI-powered resume builder that allows users to create a professional CV easily. This platform has seamless user experience with login options like login with Google, LinkedIn, and Microsoft. Once the user login, user will be able to create a multiple resumes. For example, here is resume will be shown. The process begins with filling out personal information like name, last name, job title. Here is live preview of the resume, how your resume looks like. Now, after the user fill their personal information, user have option to write their professional CV by their own or write by the AI. AI will generate a professional summary for three levels, mid-level, fresher, and senior. Let's suppose we choose mid-level. Here is also you can change anything or editing you're able to do. Next is to add a professional experience. 18 Karachi State. Let's suppose we have the it is also option to add the work experience summary from generated from AI. Here you can able to edit it like do it bold, italic, or everything, or you can also able to add the URL or something if you want to add. Click on next. There is a section for adding your education. Here you can also add the description of the degree which you are receiving. Here we write CS. We have also option to add the multiple educations field if you want. Here is section to add your skills. These stars show you how much skills do you know. Also, you know the skills. Now, here is see your resume will be ready. Now next, here you can also download the resume or share it with your friends.